The stable iOS 26.3 update is finally here. Although there are not that many exciting new features with this update, still let's check them out. First up, when I go to settings, then general, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. With iOS 26.3, this now has a new option, and that is transfer to Android. With this option, you don't need a dedicated app to transfer anymore. You can simply go through this setup and it will guide you on how to transfer your data to Android if you're switching from an iPhone. That's really a brave move from Apple. Then, with iOS 26.3, there's a new dedicated section for weather and astronomy. Previously, both of these existed together, but now they are separate. It's a small change, but still noticeable. The EU is also getting a notification forwarding option. Apple previously added it for all iPhones, but now it is only limited to the EU. This option means you can forward notifications on your iPhone to a third-party device. For example, if you have a non-Apple smartwatch paired with your iPhone. Then there's a location privacy option, where you can limit tracking by certain carriers. For example, you can limit location tracking if you have these carriers, but it only works with the C1 modem, which means only the iPhone Air and iPhone 16e support it. Apart from all of this, we now also have end-to-end encrypted RCS. Battery life with iOS 26.3 RC has been great, so you can safely download this update if you are facing any battery drain issues on your iPhone. The next iOS 26.4 update will be huge, as it will bring the much-awaited revamped Siri powered by Google Gemini. So until then, let's wait and see what Beta 1 of iOS 26.4 brings to the table. And with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.